In this German clip, you can find out something about a revolution. In the past, it was necessary to drill deep and expensive holes and make complicated measurements to find out what is in the ground. Now scientists do it via helicopter. They are looking for resources, old waste places, or like in this Bavaria case, they are looking for geothermal places. The heat of the Earth is nearly endless and cheap, but it has to be known where she is. Don't worry, there is no torpedo hanging on the Sikorsky helicopter flying over Vilshofen. It is a tool that is able to give view into the Earth down to 150 meters. This man is giving a little lesson about how it works. It's sending an electric and magnetic field and gets back the information what is in the ground. There can be things like salty or sweet water, sand, slick, or other soil. A lot of information that is very useful to the geologist. The transmitter is 40 meters below the helicopter, so that there's no risk of getting wrong results because of the machine. Information's going straight from transmitter via cable to the computers inside the helicopter. For 4 days there are flights about 80 meters high, and the informations are so exact that you know exactly what there is in the ground, for example groundwater or other stuff. The European Union featured this flight with 60,000 euros to find out if it is a good idea to do this in whole Bavaria. The flights in this area are extremely interesting because this 20 to 10 kilometer area is known for its 500 million years of history, and we will get a lot of knowledge about it. It starts with the youngest we will get a lot of knowledge about the history of Bavaria, about these flights. The project manager Doc Geis and Doc Diepholder have made the plans for the flights, and the operator in the helicopter deals it with GPS without going 1 meter to the side. For us, it is not enough to know where is sand and graphite. We also want to know how deep it is and how much there is, so that it can be used. Like the groundwater. How are the resources? And is there heat from the earth for geothermic? These measurements are made in cooperation with BGR in Hanover. It is the Bundesanstalt für Geothermik, Energie and Rohstoffe. Only there is so much technical knowledge. They are operating worldwide. In July, they have done the measurements in Bavaria. Therefore, they have been in Indonesia to find out about tsunamis. Necessary to make measurements when knowledge of underground is weak or not existing. So we found old rivers under the sand in Namib who still have drinking water inside that can be used. The last few seconds of these clips are about finding radioactivity and about how to find out if it's from nature or is it from human?
Und mit Daten von Referenzpunkten am Boden verglichen. Damit entsteht über das gesamte Untersuchungsgebiet gesehen eine hohe Ergebnisgenauigkeit. Vergleichende Radioaktivitätsmessungen auch des Grundwassers führen letztlich dazu, dass aus der Luft